Find yourself a comfortable position now, and with each breath, allow your body to sink heavier into the support beneath you. With an open heart and a receptive mind, simply surrender to this transformative healing process. There is nothing for you to do except receive. Your guides and I are working in harmony to restore your original blueprint, the one that existed before trauma taught you to doubt your power, before disappointment taught you to lower your expectations, before pain taught you that manifesting your desires was futile or unsafe. As this healing energy circulates through you, feel the wounded parts of your inner child being held in unconditional love. Visualize your younger self, the one who stopped believing in magic, the one who learned that wishes don't come true, who decided that hoping was too painful, being wrapped in healing light. Your guides are speaking directly to that child now. Your power was never lost. Your ability to create was never broken. You are safe to dream again. You are safe to manifest miracles. Feel these truths penetrating the walls of your heart, awakening the dormant creative force within you. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep breathing, keep relaxing, and accepting this healing energy.